Your car might be dying right now, and you don't even know it. No warning lights, no strange noises, but damage is happening every single day. And the worst part? Most drivers are causing it themselves. Today, I'll show you a simple DIY fix that can literally save your engine and cost you almost nothing. If you want your car to last 200,000, even 300,000 miles, you need to understand this one hidden mistake, because ignoring it, that's how engines slowly wear out until one day they fail. Let's break it down. The silent killer of your engine is dirty engine oil and poor lubrication habits. Every time you drive, heat builds up dirt and carbon until your oil-metal parts grind against each other. Over time, your oil loses its ability to protect your engine. And if you skip oil changes, use cheap or wrong oil, or ignore oil level, you're literally shortening your engine's life every single day. The simple DIY fix. Here's the simple DIY that can save your car. Check and maintain your engine oil regularly. Yes, it's that simple, but almost no one does it properly. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Park properly. Make sure your car is on a flat surface. Turn off the engine and wait at least 5 to 10 minutes so the oil settles. Step 2. Find the dipstick. Open your hood and locate the dipstick. Usually has a bright handle. Pull it out. Step 3. Clean and check. Wipe it clean with a cloth. Insert it back fully, then pull it out again. Now check. Oil level. If it's below the minimum mark, add oil immediately. Oil condition. Clean/light brown equals good, dark/black/thick equals needs changing. Step 4. Add the right oil. Always use the correct oil type recommended for your car. Using the wrong oil can actually damage your engine. Step 5. Don't delay oil changes. This is where most people fail. They wait too long. Follow the simple rule. Every 5,000 to 10,000 kilometers, depending on oil type, or as recommended in your car manual. Pro tips. Want to take it to the next level? Here are some expert tips. Check oil at least twice a month. It takes 2 minutes but can save your engine. Never ignore low oil warning. That light means danger, not check later. Warm up your engine briefly. Especially in the morning, helps oil circulate. Use quality oil and filters. Cheap products equals faster engine wear. Real consequences. Let me be real with you. Ignoring the simple DIY can lead to engine overheating, sludge, build-up, internal damage, complete engine failure. And replacing an engine? It can cost thousands of dollars. All because of something that takes 2 minutes to check. Conclusion. So here's the truth. Your car isn't dying suddenly. It's dying slowly because of small habits. But now you know how to stop it. Just check your oil, maintain it, change it on time. Do this, and your engine can last for years longer. If this video saved you from a costly repair, hit that like button. Subscribe for more simple car tips that actually work.